Alright. Alright, it's time to continue where I left off in the last video. Well, actually, I've been doing a lot of work without filming it because, I don't know, I've just been needing to kind of get my head down and grind. I took out the headliner, I've put the door panels in, all the wiring is in for the doors, all these switches and everything are going to work once they are, once the truck starts they should work. Got some loose wires here and here. These I was lost on for forever, and then somebody on TikTok, I don't remember his name, I will look it up and I'll post it. I'll put it here somewhere in the video. He pointed out that he has the same truck and they go here. Or he has like a totaled version of my truck sitting in his backyard. They go here. I don't know if that's a plug there or not. So I got one, that's two right there. I think this goes on the bottom. Yep, this one does not go on here. This one goes over here. Like this. There, and then this one goes here. Boom. Alright, there's all those wires plugged in. This is the last, no, this one goes here. This is the last one that I'm missing. No, that's plugged in. Okay. Everything steering wheel wise is plugged in. This goes into the speedo. Alright, so that's the whole steering wheel and everything on this side figured out. This, I got to somehow get that plugged into a wire back there. I got to somehow lengthen it so it can go back up there. These two go to the floorboard harness. These wires go to the headliner. That goes to the radio. So everything on this side is done, for the most part. A couple small bullshit items there. Over there, I got a couple more items there. And then that's it wiring-wise. The wiring is... those were the hardest things. I couldn't figure out where those go. So that's most of the wiring done in this truck. So something I want to try doing today is I want to see if I can get her to start. I just want to try starting her up, seeing how she sounds, especially with the exhaust hooked back up correctly again. So we're gonna go ahead and connect this battery up. And I don't know if she's gonna start or not. I really want her to, but she may not start. Oh, and I gotta plug the FAS in because she will die without the FAS. Come to find out how dead these things are. Oh, they've got power. Stay connected. No, she doesn't like that. Come on. Oh, now you don't want to work. Jesus Christ. Alright, box is on. No, nothing. Okay. Got a bit more to do. So those have power. Batteries both have power. Should be good to go. Everything's plugged in. Actually, good indication as to whether it's working or not is if I can hear the FAS running. But man, I was banking on that working. I don't really have the energy to work on it right now. I did when I came over here, but now I don't. So I don't know what I'm going to do. That doesn't go in there like that, but oh well. How did you do that? Hello there. Goes on that side. Yeah, because that's the broken clip there. Put a little screw in there. Something's still holding this up. Is it the broken windshield? It doesn't feel like it. Alright, so instead of being careful and slowly disassembling what's left in here, because I don't need this plastic shield or any of this metal, I'm just going to smash out what's left in here that I need to get behind to get to some harnesses. I'm going to have to, because I need this, put this out there, and then I'm just going to take the sledge to that. At this point, we're just whistling, dieseling what's left of this dash. There we go. Should hopefully help me get in there a little bit better. Alright, what is this? That goes here. I'm going to try not to destroy any wiring harnesses though, because those are what are important to me right now. So you, just the plug, here we go. Okay, now I can take a better look at some of these harnesses in here. Let's see if we can't get these wires out of here. All these excess wires from the sound system that someone put in here. I'm going to go get a socket so I can get that off. And then I'll work on getting this module back here off, which I also believe I need a socket for. So I'll be right back. Alright, got my drill. This thing is a 7. There we go. There's a whole fuse box. I doubt these are 7s, I bet those are 10s. How am I supposed to access that? Just take you off. Oh, there's water back there. We've struck water. Oh, wow, that's a lot of water. Alright, get out of the way. Bend you up and out of the way. go. What's this for? What do you do? Also, you're not going back in the same spot. Because, I mean, I'm not even going to use that. I'm just going to tuck you up in there. Those three, those are some modules in there that are used up, or that are empty on the new Clifford. So, I'll just throw this on in here. That would be those two plugs, and there's the last one. There, you. I don't know if you guys can see half of this stuff that I'm doing. That's right, go in, there we go. There, alright. Now the last one I'm missing is that tiny plug that was right here. Alright, and you go there. Perfect. I'll just stuff you up there. Now I'm curious. Is that all we needed? No. At least, most likely not. Alright, I think that I figured out why she wasn't starting. The help of Nelson, he's been going through and checking out his end, and I've been looking at mine. This wire here was loose. Is that a spark I just heard? That wire here wasn't plugged into anything, and I'm 90% sure that goes here. So we'll put this back on, everything out of the way. And that's somewhat back together. There. You need to get outside. There we go. There we go, that's a nice fit. You out of there. Cool. Now, plug this one in here. What is that? Is that this? Is that? Why are you making a noise? At least there's power now. I just don't know why it's making the noise. New issue. That battery's not plugged in. When I plug this one in, something over here starts making a noise. I think it's the alternator. We're just gonna plug this one in and see what happens. I don't like that noise. It shouldn't be doing that. We're gonna see if we can start it now. Oh. Don't know why it's doing that. Oh wait. The pump, fuel pump isn't plugged in. Alright, let's get her primed up. There's a fast. There's air blowing. That screen isn't working on this one, so I'll have to take it out of Clifford. Send it. Not quite there, it seems. Cannot tell what that is. Nelson, you are a genius. Fucking. This is the module out of this cab. I need the module out of Clifford, the original module out of Clifford, to be able to get her to start. Because now the truck should think that it is entirely the red one. Lock symbol. Gone. Still no start. Alright, let's try cracking these open to see if we can get some fuel. That's diesel. It's not water. There we go, there's a bit of fuel. Oh, there's a lot of fuel. Seal it up. Alright. It's the fastest pumping. Should start. Still nothing. Alright, I am giving up for the day. She's beat me for the day. I don't know if I'm going to add this into... I don't know if this is going to be the end of this video or if it's going to be included in another video. I think that'll all come down to when I get back and start editing. What time frame looks like. Come on, man, this is stuck in there. If this has been really long video so far, then I'm just gonna 6-0. This has been a really long video so far, then I'm just gonna stop it here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So if you've enjoyed the content today of me just aimlessly plugging in random wires and attempting to get this truck to start, then stick around. We're gonna get her started here very soon. I'm hoping it'll be the next video is when we get the first start. In fact, I guarantee you the next video will be the first start, because I'm not going to post anything until it starts. Well, guess that I am going to pack it up here and head home. So I will catch you guys next time. Peace.